While the Pacific grapples with the impacts of climate change, another crisis threatens our shores, needlessly claiming more Pacific Island lives each year than any other cause. Non-communicable diseases, or NCDs, include heart disease, cancers, lung disease and diabetes. They're responsible for between 6 and 8 recorded deaths in our region. Eight out of 10 countries in the world with the highest prevalence of diabetes are here in the Pacific Islands. Our region is also the epicenter of obesity. 7 Pacific nations are among the top 10 globally. We're losing family members, friends, and breadwinners to diseases that are largely preventable. This NCD crisis is a serious concern for the Pacific community. We've been supporting considerable efforts across many sectors impacting health, food security, and development. But still more needs to be done. Together with the Kingdom of Tonga, we staged the first ever Pacific NCD Summit in Nuku'alofa. It was supported by the Australian Aid Program, New Zealand Aid Program, United Nations Development Program, United States Government, World Diabetes Foundation, and the World Health Organization. The summit called for more urgent political leadership on NCDs. Countries committed to do more to achieve a tobacco-free Pacific by 2025. Health ministers and development experts identified a need to establish and commit to timelines at the national level to implement key recommendations of the Pacific NCD roadmap. Without this, achieving the global sustainable development goal of reducing premature mortality from NCDs by 1/3 by 2030 will be impossible. There was also a push for a Pacific funding mechanism to better balance responses to the burden of NCDs. The economic costs are weighing heavily on our island's already limited budgets. That's why we can't afford to address NCDs as a health issue only. It requires the collective commitment of all sectors of society. Our government leaders, civil society organizations, our families, health experts, the media and development organizations like the Pacific community. As His Majesty King Tupou VI said at the summit in Tonga, we have the ability to halt and reverse this NCD crisis. We have the power to protect our children and keep our development aspirations on track.